Yes, hello, Rio. Good evening.
Hello,
Hello, good evening.
good evening.
Okay, so how are you?
I'm great.
Are you done eating your dinner?
Yes, I'm done eating my dinner.
So what did you eat?
I eat rice and soup.
It is yummy? That's good to hear. So what did you do the all day or the whole day? Go to school?
No,
So what did you do?
I go to
You go to church. That's all?
yeah,
Okay, so that's good to hear. So now, can you hear me or see me well?
yeah.
Okay, so that's good to hear. So now, since we're done with Fun for Starter, listening, speaking, and reading and writing, which is 6.2, so now let's proceed to 6.3, okay?
Not very long.
Okay, so now we are now proceeding on listening 6.3. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so that's good to hear. So now are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, so now let's proceed. Fast 3. What is this? Can you read?
Listening.
Yes, listening. Do you like listening an audio or a music or anything?
Yeah,
Okay, so now let's proceed.
Lambica.
Okay, so now we are now in part 1. And by the way, where is your froggy?
My frog is in my room
Mm-hmm. Your froggy don't want with you to listen?
because he don't know to listening.
Okay.
And
So,
this cat and I did he listening.
okay. So now let's proceed. Part 1. Lesson and rules. There is one example. So can you see the example here above? This one. Do you have this right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you can see this one, and now you're going to listen the audio in order to answer this one, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so now you may start answering.
Part 1. Look at Part 1. Now look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
Put the glasses next to the woman.
Sorry? Where can I put the glasses?
Please put them next to the woman.
Right.
Can you see the line? This is an example. Now you listen and draw lines. 1.
Now, can you see the egg?
Yes. Where can I put the egg?
Put it in the box.
In the box? It's in there now.
2.
There's a spider here. Can you see it?
Yes. It's a big spider.
Put it under the chair.
I'm putting it under the chair.
3.
And the clock.
The clock?
Yes. Put it on the table.
Good. It's on the table now.
4.
And what now?
Find the bread and put it in the bag.
Sorry? Where?
Put the bread in the bag.
5.
Can you see the watermelon?
Yes. Where can I put it?
Between the flowers.
Right. The watermelon is between the flowers.
Now listen to part 1 again. 1.
Now, can you see the egg?
Yes. Where can I put the egg?
Put it in the box.
In the box? It's in there now.
2.
There's a spider here. Can you see it?
Yes. It's a big spider.
Put it under the chair.
I'm putting it under the chair.
3.
And the clock.
The clock?
Yes. Put it on the table.
Good. It's on the table now.
4.
And what now?
Find the bread and put it in the bag.
Sorry? Where?
Put the bread in the bag.
5.
Can you see the watermelon?
Yes. Where can I put it?
Between the flowers.
Right. The watermelon is between the flowers.
Okay, so now let's check. Are you sure with your answer now?
Yes.
Okay, so let's check. Okay, so can you read number 1?
Number 1 is the egg is in the box.
Okay, the egg and in the box. Okay. Okay, very good. So you have 1 point now. And how about number 2?
Number 2 is the spider and under the chair.
Okay, the spider and under the chair. Okay, very good again. And how about number 3?
Number 3 is the clock in on the table.
Okay, the clock and on the table. Okay, very good again. And how about number 4?
Number 4 is the bread and in the bag.
Okay, the bread and the bag. Okay, this one. Okay, very good again. And how about the last one?
The last one is the watermelon in between the flowers.
Okay, very good.
Dạ,
The
con sẽ con này.
watermelon and between the flowers here.
Mẹ ơi, hôm nay
Let's
con có ăn
see.
trứng gì không được?
Okay, very good. So how many score you've got in this part?
I got 5 out of 5.
Yes, 5/5 with this part. Okay, so do you have any question or
No, I
any
don't have
clarification? Okay, very good. So since you don't have any question, let's proceed. Okay, so we are now in part 2. Listen and write a name or a number. Can you repeat?
Please write your name or number.
Okay, so now there are 2 examples. So can you read the examples below?
Who can play the guitar?
And
It's
then,
Mike. Mike can play the guitar.
okay. So now I'm going to play the audio in order for you to answer this one, okay? Which is 1 until 5. So I'm going to start playing the audio and listen carefully.
Part 2. Look at the picture. Listen and write a name or a number. There are 2 examples.
There's a guitar. Who can play it?
My friend May. She can play it.
How do you spell May?
M-A-Y.
Thank you. And how old is she?
She's 8.
8?
Yes, that's right.
Can you see the answers? Now you listen and write a name or a number. 1,
So, which class is May in?
Class 9.
Class 9 at your school.
That's right.
2,
And who's her teacher?
Mrs. Page.
Is that P-A-G-E?
Yes, she's a good teacher.
3,
How many children are there in May's class?
There are 10.
10 children.
That's right.
4,
And has May got a brother? Do you know?
Yes, his name's Bill.
Do you spell that B-I-L-L?
Yes.
5,
How old is he?
He's 7 today.
7 today.
Yes, it's his birthday.
Thank you.
Now listen to part 2 again. 1,
So, which class is May in?
Class 9.
Class 9 at your school.
That's right.
Are you done? Are you sure with your answer now, Rio?
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay, so now let's check your answer if it is right. Okay, so can you read the question number 1?
The question number 1 is which is May in?
Okay, which class is May in? So your answer here is 9. Okay, very good. So how about number 2? Can you read?
Number 2 is what the name of the May teacher?
What's the name of May's teacher? Can you repeat?
What's the name of my teacher?
Okay, so the answer here is it should be when you write a name, it should be start with it start with big
Big letter.
letters, okay? For example, this one, page. It should be start with big letters, okay? Now,
Okay.
this one, like this. And also this one, which is bell, it should be start with big letters, okay?
Okay.
Like this. Okay, so now let's continue. Your answer number 2 is right. Okay, so how about number 3? Can you read the question?
Number 3 is how many children are there in my class?
Okay, how many children are in May's class? So the answer here is 10. Okay, very good again. And how about number 4? Can you read?
Number 4 is what's the name of my brother?
Okay, what's the name of May's brother? Your answer here is Belle. Okay, very good again. So you've got 4 correct answer now. And how about number 5? Can you read the question number 5?
The question number 5 is
Can you read the question number 5?
how old is my brother?
Okay, so how old is May's brother? Your answer here is 7. Okay, very good. So how many score you've got in this part?
I got 5 out of 5.
Very good. You've got 5/5 in this part. Okay, so by the way, how old are you now?
What?
You. How old are you now?
I'm 9.
Yeah. You're turning 9 yesterday, right?
Yeah,
Okay, so what did you do during your birthday?
I have a very great present.
Do you have cake?
Yeah, no,
Mm, what food that you eat during your birthday?
is a chicken.
A chicken. How about pig?
What?
Pig.
No,
Okay, so that's good to hear. So you are now 9 years old. Okay, so now, by the way, belated happy birthday.
okay.
So now let's proceed with our next slide. Okay, so this one, we are now in part 3. Can you read the instruction above? Can you read
Can't
it?
see because it's black.
Okay, so can you read now?
Now it's black.
You put it color black. Then how can you read that one? What happened? Oh, it's gone. Okay, so can you read the instruction here? This one?
Which is listen and take the box. There is one example.
Okay, so can you see the example?
Mm,
And then I'm going to remove this one. The color black, it will, okay, you've got, okay, so number 1, can you, no, the example, which is here, can you read this one? The example here? Mm. You can't read that one because you put a circle, which is, what's that? Mm-hmm. What is this? A cloud? What's
Yes.
that? Mm-hmm. Okay. Can you draw me airplane or a plane?
Airplane. Okay. Study.
Okay. So now, can you read here the example?
Which is Sam's favorite sport?
Okay, so what's the favorite sports of Sam's? Okay, so now we're going to
Is
listen. Okay, so now we're going to listen the audio in order for you to answer this one, two, until 5. But in this slide, only 1 and 2. Okay, so you may now start.
Part 3.
okay.
Look at the pictures. Listen and look. There is one example. Which is Sam's favourite sport?
Do you like basketball, Sam?
No, I don't.
Well, do you like tennis?
It's okay. I love football. That's my favorite game.
Can you see the tick? Now you listen and tick the box. 1. Where's Kim?
Where's Kim? Is she in her bedroom?
No, and she's not in the bathroom.
Look in the garden. Is she there?
Oh, yes, there she is.
2. What's under Mum's hat?
What's that under Mum's hat?
Is it a mouse?
No. Is it a lizard?
No, look, it's a baby frog.
Okay, so now let's check. Okay, so can you read the question number 1?
The question. Where's Kim in the garden?
Okay.
What's under Mom's hat? A baby frog.
Yes, okay. So now let's see if your answer number 1 is right. Where's Kim? Your answer here in the... Okay, very good. And number 2, what's under Mom's hat? A baby frog. Okay, very good. So in this part, which is in this slide, you've got 2 correct answer. And now let's proceed to the next slide in order for you to continue. Okay. This one. Continue and listen carefully.
3. What does May want for supper?
May, what do you want for supper? Do you want some fish and lemon?
No thanks. Can I have some meat and a tomato, please?
OK. Do you want some rice with that?
No thanks, Mum.
4. Which woman is Sam's teacher?
Is that your teacher in the dress, Sam?
No. My teacher's there. Can you see her?
Is she wearing trousers and a jacket?
No. That's my teacher. In a skirt and a t-shirt.
5. What's Anna doing?
What's Anna doing, Dad?
I don't know. Is she watching TV?
No, and she isn't playing on her computer.
Oh, I know. She's painting a picture in the garden.
Okay, so now are you sure with your answer?
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay. So can you read the question number 3?
The question number 3 is, what does my one for supper?
Okay, very good. So what does May want for supper? Your answer here is letter C. Okay, very good. And how about you? What do you want for supper?
I don't know supper.
Okay. So, but what do you like here in this picture? With rice or the fish? Or this one only meat and tomato?
I like number 5B.
5B? This one?
Yeah,
Oh, playing computer. Do you have computer in your bedroom? No? How about in your bedroom? It's in...
you teach, you and you study.
Yes, it's in your living room. But how about in your bedroom? Okay. So now how about watching TV? You don't like watching TV?
No,
How about painting? Do you know how to
I like
paint?
watching the goat.
And how about painting? Do you like painting?
No,
Okay. So now let's proceed. So you have 3 points now. And how about number 4? Can you read the question number 4?
the question number was, which woman is Sam's teacher?
Okay. So which woman is Sam's teacher? Your answer here is letter B. Okay, very good. So you've got 4 correct answer now. And how about number 5? Can you read?
Number 5 is, what I'm doing and is
Okay. So now what's Anne doing? So your answer here is letter A, which is painting. So what's Anne painting?
and is painting.
Okay, your answer here is... Okay, very good. Your answer here is correct. So how many score you've got all in all in this part? Again? 5/5. A perfect score again. Okay, so do you have any question or clarification?
Yeah.
Okay, so since now, let's proceed to the next slide. Okay, this one. Listen and color. There is one example. Okay, so what's the example you can see in the picture? Can you see the example? Okay, now, so what can you see in the picture?
I
Can
can
you
see a goat.
You can see a
Goat. Wait, what is this? What? What
this
is
picture. This is a picture which is you're going to color. It is a line.
You rubber this.
This one. This a
Yeah.
line
Yeah.
pointing the monkey. This one.
No, rubber this. I don't like.
Okay. So now you're going to color the monkey. So listen carefully the audio in order for you to answer this one.
Part 4. Look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
Look, here's a picture of some monkeys. Can you color them?
Yes, please. I like monkeys.
Can you see the monkey under the tree?
Yes, it's sleeping.
Well, color it pink.
Okay, the monkey under the tree is pink.
Can you see the pink monkey under the tree? This is an example. Now you listen and colour. 1.
One monkey is swimming. Can you see it?
Oh, yes, you're right. A monkey is swimming.
Well, color that monkey red.
Okay, it's red now.
2.
Now find the hippo.
There it is. A monkey's sitting on it.
That's right. Color that monkey yellow, please.
Okay, I'm coloring the monkey on the hippo yellow now.
3.
One monkey is eating a banana.
Oh, yes.
Can you color that monkey brown?
Okay, the monkey with the banana is brown.
That's very good.
Four.
One monkey is throwing a ball. Can you see it?
Yes, there it is.
Color that monkey blue.
Right, the monkey with the ball is blue now.
5.
One of the monkeys is pointing to a crocodile.
Pointing to a crocodile? Oh, now I see it.
Good.
Can I color that monkey orange?
Orange? Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so are you sure with your answer now or should I play again the audio?
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay, so now let's see if your answer here is right. Okay, and by the way, if we're done with this, I think we will end at 9, 38, or 37? Okay?
Why? You busy?
Why?
You busy?
Yes, I have something to do, which is my activity, okay?
49 is end this class.
45, 9:45. And we will end at exactly 9:38, I think. Is that okay?
Okay. I don't know what did you talk. Can you write in Google, please?
Okay. I'm going to write it after this one, okay? Since this is the last slide. Okay? Okay, so now let's check. Okay, can you read number 1?
Color the swimming monkey red.
Okay, color the swimming monkey red. Okay, this one. Okay, very good. And how about number 2?
Color the monkey sitting on the hippo yellow.
Okay, this one. Okay, very good again. And
Color the monkey eating a banana brown.
okay, this one. And then how about number 4?
Color the monkey with a bow blue.
Okay, this one. Okay, very good. And how about the last one?
Color the monkey pointing to a crocodile orange.
Okay, so this one. Okay, very good. So how many score you've got in this part?
I got 5 out of 5.
Yes, 5/5. You've got a perfect score in this part. Okay, so do you have any question regarding this one?
No, I don't have.
Okay, so since that's all for this evening, which is we're done with this lesson, with this practicing, which is listening 6.3. Okay, so but before that, I'm going to write this in Google. Okay, so wait for a while. Okay, so now can you see? I'm no sorry. Okay, again. Mm-hmm. Why? What happened to this? This one.
You
What happened to my translator?
no, you see it. All down.
I can translate it.
You see it.